Do you know what to do with your hand-tied bouquet once you've got it home? I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. Now perhaps you've been gifted a hand-tied bouquet. It's one of those bouquets where it's cinched in at the waist and the stems splay out at the side. Or perhaps like me, you've made your own bouquet. I made this one as part of the British Flowers Week celebrations, and I hosted a flower arranging workshop at Anna's Country Flowers here in Kent. But let's imagine you've been gifted this bouquet by a friend and it's been delivered by the florist. The first thing you'll notice that the flowers are cinched in at the waist and they splay out marvellously at the edges, and also with this characteristic triangle of stems at the bottom. Now I reckon there's probably about 60 stems in this bouquet, and that's the reason why I can hold it easily in my hand. You can imagine if I had 60 stems in my hand and just try to hold them as individual grouped flowers, it would be quite tricky to do, and this is why florists use this spiralling technique. And when the bouquet's been made, bring all the stems together and you chop the ends off so they're equal. But when you get gifted your bouquet, you need to recut your stems to make sure they take up water. So you'll need to go through individually and cut those straight stems in with a diagonal cut, and that way they'll take up more water and they'll stand up as if on tiptoes in your vase, and your flowers will last much longer. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed that handy tip, and if you have, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where I share lots of flower arranging handy hints and tips, and hit the notification bell and you'll always be a reminder when I upload a new video. I'll see you another time.